Hello, good morning to all. I feel extremely happy in meeting you all through this channel Neon Forge. Tour to Europe, an unforgettable and happy tour to Europe through a travel agency. But at once I thought, is it advisable and possible at the age of 68, that too with complications like sugar, blood pressure, open heart surgery for multiple blocks and aortic valve replacement, to travel such a distance from Tamil Nadu, India. Moreover, Mount Titlis in Alps mountain in Switzerland is about 3,200 meters height from the sea level. So, I had little fear. Then, after consulting my family members and cardiologist and getting concurrence from them, I finally decided to travel Europe. I started collecting pamphlets and brochures from travel agencies. I mainly concentrated on Indian style vegetarian food, covering places, time convenient and suitable to us, any additional and extra amount to pay at any place, travel insurance coverage, visa fees and arrangements to get visa. So, all these factors are taken into account while choosing a travel agency. Comparing all these items from 3 travel agencies, I chose one which is suitable and better to us. I spoke to that selected travel agency and clarified all doubts, including oxygen level in Alps mountain, in addition to the search made through Google and even hospital facilities. Let us now see the formalities in getting tourist visa. Regarding visa, it needs at least 2 months' time for getting normal visa without tension. We have to get 2 visas for traveling in Europe. One visa is exclusively for London, which usually takes time, and another one, namely Schengen visa, is for other European countries respectively. To get visa for London, every tourist has to show a minimum cash balance of rupees 2 to 3 lakhs in their savings bank account in banks, apart from showing other investments if any. The travel agency helped all in filling up visa application forms and in arranging needed papers and documents. After hearing from visa office, we have to attend interview and submit digital finger scan and digital photograph. If all the required papers are proper, then getting visa for London is easy. It took 10 clear working days to receive visa from London. After having received visa for London, we have to apply for Schengen visa. After submitting application form, within a week we will get visa. Here also, we have to attend interview for submitting digital finger scan and digital photograph. The travel agency has organized a formal meeting 10 days before the commencement of the actual tour program. In fact, they have explained all needed particulars elaborately. Details like what to take and what not to take, needed clothes and dresses, minimum required pocket money, time schedule to cover all places, precautionary tips for certain places, and special tips for Mount Ditlis in Alps mountain in Swiss are well discussed and given. After fruitful discussion and clearing all doubts, the travel agency gave a file containing all details with regard to tour program, particulars like places to be seen in various countries, importance of the places with short notes, participants' name, phone number, foreign SIM numbers, name and address of lodges with phone numbers, guide's name, phone number, luggage in details, 2 sets of medicines, copies of visa, passport in all bags and suitcases, a small identity card stating name of tourist passport. Front page of the copy and back side of ID card contains name of the hotels and phone numbers with places where we are going to stay. After careful planning, our actual tour program began as per schedule. Our tour plan is for 12 days only. In the next video, I will share my journey experience to London. Thank you for watching this video. Please send your comments and also subscribe our channel Neon Forge. Once again, I thank you all.